English for Today. Daily video lessons with speaking practice. Table of contents. English for Today offers daily video-based lessons from LELB Society's archive of 4,600 plus posts. Students watch selected lessons, practice writing through comments, and improve speaking skills with voice messages in a dedicated WhatsApp group. Based on asynchronous learning, flipped learning, and skill integration, this interactive course helps learners develop all 4 language skills step by step. Video of English for Today. This video is not ready yet. What is English for Today? A new way to learn English daily. English for Today is a new learning service at LELB Society designed to help students improve their English through a consistent daily learning routine. Every day, we select one valuable lesson from our archive of more than 4,600 English lessons with videos, learning materials, and comment sections. The selected lesson is then introduced on the homepage so students can easily access and study it. Instead of learning through isolated activities, students follow a complete learning cycle. They watch the lesson video, explore the content, share their ideas through comments, and practice speaking through voice messages. This daily process helps learners gradually develop confidence and improve their English skills in a practical way. How English for Today works. Learn, watch, write, and speak. Each day, registered students can see the selected English for Today lesson on the homepage, including the lesson title, featured image, and a short excerpt. By clicking on the lesson, they can enter the full post and access all learning materials provided in that lesson. After watching the video, students practice their writing skills by leaving comments under the lesson. They can express their opinions, answer questions, or discuss the topic with other learners. Then, they move to the speaking stage by sending voice messages in our dedicated WhatsApp group called English for Today. English for Today and Round Table Activity. In the English for Today course, the Round Table activity encourages learners to actively engage with each daily lesson through discussion, reflection, and peer interaction. After studying the selected lesson, members share their ideas, answer questions, express opinions, and respond to each other in a supportive learning environment. This activity transforms asynchronous learning into a more interactive experience by promoting communication, negotiation of meaning, and collaborative learning. Through regular participation in the round table, students improve their speaking skills, critical thinking, and confidence while building a stronger sense of community among learners. Daily video lessons from our 4,600 plus English learning archive. LELB Society has developed a large educational archive containing more than 4,600 lessons with videos covering different topics, levels, and areas of interest. English for Today gives students the opportunity to benefit from this rich collection through a carefully selected daily lesson. By revisiting and organizing existing high-quality content, we help learners discover useful lessons that they might otherwise miss. Each selected post becomes a new opportunity to learn vocabulary, improve comprehension, and practice communication skills. Practice all 4 language skills through an interactive cycle. English for Today is designed around skill integration. Students do not only watch videos or memorize vocabulary, they actively use English through listening, reading, writing, and speaking activities connected to each lesson. The learning cycle begins with watching and understanding the lesson, continues with written interaction through comments, and ends with spoken practice through voice or even video messages on our WhatsApp group. This combination encourages learners to use English as a means of communication rather than only studying it as a subject. On-demand text-to-speech support. Practice listening by selecting any text and listening to it at LELB Society. As a registered member of LELB Society, you gain access to one of the best text-to-speech systems available for language learning. While studying the daily lesson in the English for Today course, you can simply select any word, phrase, sentence, paragraph, or even the entire lesson and have it read aloud instantly. This feature allows you to strengthen your listening comprehension, improve your pronunciation, and become more familiar with natural English rhythm and intonation at your own pace. In other words, LELB Society talks to its members on demand, providing personalized audio support whenever they need it. Learning English through meaningful content. Content-based instruction in language learning. The topics selected for the English for Today course are based on the principles of content-based instruction, CBI, where language learning takes place through meaningful and engaging content. Instead of focusing only on language forms, we choose topics that are inspiring, uplifting, and practically useful for modern life. This approach helps learners improve their English skills while gaining valuable knowledge, developing new perspectives, and engaging with ideas that can positively influence their daily lives. Therefore, by participating in the English for Today course, you are not only learning English as a language but also using English as a tool to live, learn, and grow better, which is exactly what LELB stands for: Learn English to Live Better. A combination of asynchronous learning and flipped learning. English for Today follows the principles of asynchronous learning, allowing students to study at their own pace and participate without needing to attend a fixed class time. Learners can access the daily lesson whenever it is convenient for them and complete the activities gradually. Asynchronous learning for busy language learners at LELB Society. It also applies the flipped learning approach. Students first explore the lesson materials independently, especially the video content, and then use interactive spaces such as comments and WhatsApp voice messages for practice, communication, and feedback. How students participate in English for Today. Participation in English for Today is simple and follows a clear daily routine. Students first check the homepage for the selected lesson, study the complete post, watch the video, and review the learning materials. Visit our homepage to see the selected lesson for English for Today. After studying the lesson, students actively participate by writing comments under the post and sharing voice or video messages in the English for Today WhatsApp group. This creates a continuous connection between independent study and meaningful interaction. Join English for Today and build your English skills every day. English for Today provides a practical solution for learners who want to make English part of their daily lives. With thousands of existing lessons, videos, and interactive activities, students have access to a structured learning path that grows day by day. LELB Society methodology for English and Persian students in our bilingual academy. By joining this service, learners can develop stronger language skills through regular practice, meaningful communication, and continuous engagement. English for Today transforms daily learning into an interactive experience supported by LELB Society's educational community. Free trial for new students. If you are not yet a member of LELB Society, you are welcome to join the English for Today course as our guest and experience your first session completely free of charge. This free trial gives you the opportunity to explore our teaching approach, interact with your teacher, and experience the learning environment before making any commitment. If you find the course valuable and enjoyable, you can then register as a member and continue your learning journey with full access to the program. In short, the first session is free for all new students.